So for Tibetan calendars on your app store, type Tibetan calendar and you will be able to see a few of the options. And then there's the Sakya calendar and the Drukpa Lunar Calendar. So what I have is a Drukpa Lunar Calendar, and when you go inside the app, you will be able to see the present dates. So that is today, the Sunday, 5th of Sunday, that is June 5th. And if you down there, if you click on month, you will be able to see the month. And if you click on day, you will be able to see the day. On the day, you see up there the Sunday 5th. 5 is the solar calendar, the 5th of June, and down there there's a date that is 6. So that's the lunar calendar. And in the month is a lunar calendar month, and the year is 2149. That is a lunar calendar year. So if you go through the days, you will be able to see the description as what day it is, like Medicine Buddha Day, or is a Guru Rinpoche Day. And also you will be able to see the element combinations. So mostly if you were to refer to an astrology, people will consider the element combination. So if it is a favorable element combination like earth and water, that is a favorable. And if it is a fire and water, that is pretty much the opposite, because the fire would be extinguished by water, so that's the negative element combination. So fire and fire is a positive element combination. So that's how you refer to a Tibetan calendar. And in case if you were to know the special days in Tibetan calendar, such as especially for a Buddhist practitioner, especially such as the 30th day of the 15th, that is the 15th day lunar day is the Buddha Amitabha day, and the 10th is Guru Rinpoche, and the 8th is the Medicine Buddha day. So that's, and the 29th it's all the Dharma Protectors Day. So that's how you would access Tibetan calendar on your iPhone, and I believe it would be pretty much same on the other Android phone as well. So I would just suggest that the app, the one who created the app just for your security. Otherwise, the one that I have is pretty much good. Thank you. Tujiche.